Welcome to 58 Buttonwood in the heart of this beautiful family-friendly neighborhood, close to great schools, parks, walking trails. This gorgeous home, as you can see, is beautifully renovated and the inside doesn't disappoint. It's just as gorgeous. Come and join me for a tour. There is no part of this house that hasn't been renovated. A beautiful kitchen that's been redone. All the bathrooms are renovated as well. A fully finished basement. You have to see it to believe it. So the pièce de résistance here is this amazing backyard, beautiful private hedge all around, amazing landscaping. It is truly a backyard oasis.